Plots for sale at Dhargal, just 5 kilometers from Mopa Airport. Plot size from 230 to 300 square meters. Starting from just 15,000 rupees per square meter. Call now.
In a bid to curb pollution, Goa government on Friday announced registered vehicle scrapping policies of Goa 2023, as per which nearly 1.92 lakh vehicles, mostly over 15 years old, are said to be fit for scrapping this year. Moreover, next 5 years, additional 3.5 lakh vehicles will cross the age limit.
Once we publish that EOI, who is on board and where we can locate them. There is also a misconception that scrapping of vehicle is going to lead to a lot of pollution, this, that. Nowadays, there are measures which are being undertaken to even control the pollution as a consequence of scrapping of the vehicle. Everything is reused and reusable. We have to understand that. Number one. Number two, why scrapping of vehicle is being done? Because the pollution on the road will be less when there are 15-year-old vehicle, 20-year-old vehicle. Pollution चड असता न्ही. Pollution कमी कसो करतलो? नवी गाडी जाल्यार तितले pollution असना. ताका लागून we have to scrap the old vehicles as per the central government policy. Starting for starters, we are going to scrap government run more than 15 years. This even Kadamba has already been instructed. That's how we have to replace so many buses. We are conscious of that and we are doing it.
What about the heritage vehicle?
No, heritage vehicle, there is a different law altogether. Vintage car, there is a different law under which means they don't have to be scrapped.
ठीक आहे. आणि तिथे जो लोकांच्या श्रीमंत डिझेल गाडयो जे ट्रक बी आसा ते पयलीं बॅन करचे आनी मागीर खंय तरी पेट्रोल गाडयेचेर 4 व्हिलरीचेर
Moment it is 15-year-old, there is no distinction. Petrol or diesel, it has to be scrapped as per the new policy. आणि आम्ही स्टार्ट करतानाच आमकां आदेश येयला की गव्हर्नमेंट व्हेकल पयले कर म्हणून स्क्रॅप करपा जाय म्हणून. You cannot see that they are on the roads.
Promotion of CNG will be done for CNG vehicles.
Alternate fuels, obviously, promotion has to be done, whether it is on CNG or electrical vehicle, battery operated.
So, but you all are talking about electric vehicles and promoting and all, but at the same time, there's a fear about this installation of charging points. कितले फावट म्हणता एके टायमार तर even the power minister had said it is not feasible of charging points चोड घालपाक, huge cost.
I know charging points have to be there. As I said earlier, whether the chicken came first or the egg came first. Once enough electrical vehicles are there, obviously, automatically, your charging stations are bound to come up and they will come. We are ourselves, as the government, we have identified several places where we are going to have the charging stations.
सर एकूच आता प्रायव्हेट व्हेकल्स आनी खूब जणांचे अशे व्हेकल्स आसता की ते व्हेरी रेअरली चलयतात म्हणजे पोल्युशन 15 वर्सां तरी जाल्ली ती गाडी तेंची एकदम बरी आसता सो तेंच्या बद्दल काय जावचें ना काय म्हणटा
रूल आहा तो 15 वर्सांचो. गाडी कितली बरी दवरली म्हणून आमकां ते बदल करपाक मेळना. Let us be very clear on this.
So when we
These are
expect
exceptions to the rule, but we
So
can't.
when
That is the law.
जागो आयडेंटिफाय करतलो.
We are in the process, Baba. Because फाल्यां तुमचेच माध्यमसून येतले हिंगा पोल्युशन जावपाचें आसा हिंगा घालपाचें ना परत जातलें न्हू.
केन्नाच्यान
सो ताका लागून we have to, it has to be a carefully calibrated decision, carefully thought out location, all that we have to see.
so when we expected this scrapping of this car?
implementation sir.
ASAP.
Sorry, as soon as possible.
As soon as you get the land,
Huh?
as soon as you identify the land.
So we are in the process of doing that. तुमकां सांगतले मरे तुमकां सांगनासतना कोणा सांगतले.
सर फाल्याच्यान फायन प्रोसेस चालू उरतली सर फाल्याच्यान फायन
फाल्यां start न्ही.
प्रोसेस
I इतलो टायम दिल्लो मरे. Actually they are supposed to do it immediately. I gave time to the people so that they become prepared mentally that such a thing is going to be there. If we violate, we'll be in problem. So now let us start somewhere.
सर तूं म्हटलें 70 एरियान न्यू कॅमेराज बसयले वयतले म्हणून.
सेंटरान नोटिफाय केला आमकां आदेशूय दिला 15 years व्हेकल जे आसा ते स्क्रॅप करपा जाय. लँड इज येट टू बी आयडेंटिफायड एंड नोबडी हॅज सो फार कम फॉरवर्ड.
तूं म्हटलें न्हू 70 स्पॉट्स आयडेंटिफाय केला जे कॅमेराज बसयले.
इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ कॉम्बिनेशन वेदर आता सध्या इट इज गोइंग टू बी आर्टिफिशियल intelligence, automatic, we are entering a totally new era where technology has to be used. कित्याक समजना तुम्ही.
ना पूण आयडेंटिफाय केला काय म्हणटा असे स्पॉट्स जे आसा ते.
Yeah. We have identified that booklet which I showed you contains real data. खंयचे कडेन एक्सिडेंट जाल्ले, कसली व्हेकलाचे एक्सिडेंट जाले खंयच्या टायमार जाली खंयच्या कारणाक लागून जाले according to that we are going to take the decision.
So one more issue is that you talk about pollution.